Let's get straight to it. 2012 Cadillac CTS. This is the 3.0 liter engine. All right, so let's get this resistor changed out. So the resistor is right over here, right on top of the radiator fan. So this is the fan and this is your resistor. So you can see this is in bad shape right here. See, this is falling off. So I'm going to show you how you can change yours. So I'm not putting a new part in. I just want to take this off to show you how to do it and how to put it back on. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect the negative battery terminal that's in the trunk. And then we'll start by getting this main harness plug off. So you can press this in right here and use one hand to pull this plug while using the other hand to hold this. So it's not going to be easy. You're going to have to press this down and do some wiggling, pulling and shaking to get this off. 10mm bolt to get this out. Now, just like that, that's out of there. So this harness plug is connected right down here to the fan. I'm going to use two hands. So I'm going to use this to press this tab in while using my other hand to pull that out. And just like that, we got it up. So what I did was I used this to push that down, because soft fingers sometimes could be a problem getting these pushed all the way down. So I use this to push it all the way down, and I use this hand, my left hand, to just pull it off like that. So now we have the whole part off, and you can see it's in bad shape. All right, so I was able to repair this. So there were some contact points in here that weren't touching. So I was able to solder those points back on, and I got the case back on here. So like I said, I wasn't going to replace this. I was just taking it off so I can fix it. So, but you can still use this video to see how to replace it, because I still had to take this whole thing off. So now that this is fixed, let's get this back in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the harness plug right in here, just like that. Now let's get this fixed part back in here. So you can see there's a little lip right here that goes right down on that part. So let's put that part down in first, and then we'll push the back down, and now we can get our screw in there. All right, so just get it on. And now we can plug our main harness connector back up here, just like that. And this part here wasn't plugged in when I found it, but it's going to be plugged in when I leave it. So just like that, that's in there. So everything is connected now. So I was able to fix this resistor after getting it off, and now after putting it back on, it should be working. So this is how you replace the radiator fan resistor on a 2012 Cadillac CTS. This is the 3.0.